Okay, we're back, and this is Friday. I got my sidekick. She's sitting back and watching this thing. She had her eyes on this stuff. But I want to, what I'm doing. I'm gonna share my screen real quick because I want to do about 5.5 minutes on one of the stocks. It's called S. Let me share my screen because this might be a. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm gonna share my screen with a stock I was looking at. It's Side Space. This also I did some investigative work. It also dealt with SpaceX and all this. Let's read it a little bit. Let's read about it. And this is SIDU. I want you to understand it. It's a space company. It's a woman owned, and and you can see. I want you to take time out and really you got to read this stuff. And it serves as a commercial space, aerospace, defense, underwater, marine, and other commercial and government customers. The company was founded in 2014 in Florida, and it's a micro satellite. Talking about it's space. It's still the CEO is Carol. And he's got 68 employees, and they got government contracts and stuff like that. So I wanted you to read about that before we continue, because this one is about 14 cents. It was 17 cents when I was looking at it. Now it's down. It went all the way down like 12 cents, 12.99. But I want you to just take it. His revenue is forecasted to grow 54% per year. They're not doing anything. It went from October to now, but back in there, you got this sometimes $40 a share. And then you can read this stuff, this was on the 23rd, new minor risk of stability price. Okay, it's more volatile, 79% American style. And you can read all this good stuff. That's why I like doing this stuff. It said completed acquisition of substantial assets in this date and on all. Doing a lot of stuff. They had their earnings. The earnings look good. And she appointed in July. She appointed Jessica. So it lost this year 95%. Of its value. And I show you what it's gauged in. And you can see it's a lot of red right now. But I want you to take note. It's up here. Okay? And Zach did something today. That's why I'm high on this one right here. I went out and bought 100,000 shares at 13 cents. And this is a big, huge risk. It's still volatile, but this is scheduled. This is the valuation. It goes up here. Future growth, past performance. Okay, it wasn't doing good. Financial health. Short-term liabilities. It's got the debt level is, total debt. They got more cash. I do want you to take note of this because what I'm going to get ready to show you in about 2 minutes, it's going to be Zach. Zach is this analyst, and I was high on. Well, I usually listen to what he say because he's factual. He does the facts thing. She's not making a lot of money either. $125,000 a year compensation. Okay, Carol's don't have an experienced manager. She's going out and get somebody. Look at her. People been buying. Nobody been selling. People been buying. General public, private, hedge, institution, individual. So you can see who's on her. People starting to put money in this thing. And this is space. You can see BlackRock, all these folks starting to put money in, Okay. She got a lot of folks on her. You say who's buying? Morgan Stanley is in it. Tower Research, all these guys that you know about. Carol, she got about 500,000 shares. I got 100,000. So this Craig Technology Consultant got 10 million shares. So he on 13%. Savvy. All these big boys are starting to get in. Vanguard, Carol, CEO. And it's at 14 cents. So why are you buying all these shares? They smart. Okay, they smart. Well, let's reshare our screen, and let's pick up what Zach said. Because this is who you want to start looking at. But all the hype you want to. Okay, this is what Zach came out with today. He said all you need to know about this company: ratings upgraded to buy. Now he said upgraded to buy. This guy right here, it costs you $3,000 or $4,000 to subscribe to this guy, and that's at a discount. So he did a long thing on these guys. He said could be a solid choice for investors and give it a recent upgrade to buy. Okay, so I said okay, I'll buy it. The most powerful force impacting stock price, he goes into his explanation. We're going to continue the story. Okay. She talks about fundamentals speaking. And like I said, I got in at the small rate, Zach. These other folk got in 17, probably 20%, 20 cents. And remember, last year was about, I'm telling you, last year was about anywhere from $40 to $70 a share. Okay, he said here we go earnings revision, okay, which is changed by 7%. 2003, the company is expected to earn a negative per share, which is a change of 70%. Okay, bottom line, unlike overly optimistic Wall Street, okay, the ZAC rating system maintains an equal proportion of buy and sell to universal 4,000 stocks. Okay, ZAC covers, you talk about strong buy, and then strong sell, that kind of thing. The upgrade to two position is its top 20% of their covered stocks in terms of estimated revision, implying that the stock might move higher in the near term. So I went out there, I said, okay, I'm gonna buy it because this one can get to $1 quickly. So I'm going to reshare again because now I'm gonna go back. I got 10 minutes. Let's look at this. Let's look at the stock market. I'm not a financial, but let's look at what I'm doing. I'm kind of paring down too. So let's look and see what we got. Okay, new share. Okay, now let's look at it. I bought it at 13 cents and 13.91 is up to 13.99. So it's really not doing anything right now, but it's costing me for them many shares, it's costing me about 13,000. So just think 500, they costing them about 50,000 more. So I'm just keeping my seat in the ground. I got rid of the video right now, but I'm gonna come back with the video. So I'm gonna come back and get the video before I end this broadcast, or probably tonight, because the video is not doing too well right now. It wasn't when even though the video beat, and I couldn't understand. I took my profits, and because the big boys can go down fast on me. So the video is not at this point. NVIDIA, yeah, the video. I'm trying to find. NVIDIA is about 459. It was 480. It was over $5. So I made sure I took my stuff out when it was whipped there. I made no profit, and I took out like my son. I was smart. But look at HLGN. Look at this one right here. And these are my high. These are the things. Got 10,000, 30,000. And they might not make any money right now, but they holding on. This is one click. This goes up to 14. This goes up to 5. So I'm leaving my seed in the ground. So far, $628 I made today in just today's game. But I'm not overall. In the margin account, about 14K. But I'm not worried about that because I'm waiting to these guys. Something's gonna happen. This is only 6 cents. I bought this 6 cents. I bought this at 20 cents, and I bought this at 13 cents. The rest of them gonna do what they do. I ain't worried about SAVA because it keeps going up and down. I got it 16, got this one at $13, got this $16. They gonna be the beneficiaries. Now let's look at some more. Let's look at my personal. My personal stock. You remember I'm paring down. I'm starting to weed some stuff out. Okay, I put this one because this one is one I'm interested in. So I bought 1,000. It's right doing that right now, but it's at 14 cents. I'm buying a little. These are good though. White Apple, I'm mixing them up. Apple and Amazon is doing good. This one is still doing what it's doing. This is at 6. Remember, I got this one, MCOM at 6 cents. TTO, even they did some analysts on it. They say, well, this one should be about its value really about $2. But that's all right. I got 3,000 shares to go. Yeah, I don't know where, but I think it's worth more than that. That's just my opinion, just like the opinion of. But the facts say it's only supposed to be based on all the facts and the data. It's supposed to be only like $2.69. But they got that tool that's in the FDA. Once the FDA, it's going to spike up and it's going to be volatile. It's going to spike up to about $10, $20, and then it'll come down. By the time I snatched it out. Okay, so this one right here, I'm holding on to this one because we're coming in the flu season. Remember, this is going to be the gummy. This one still ain't. FDA is in the third. It's in the third stage. It's in the final stage of this thing. The gummy that's coming out. Everybody chew gummies. If the FDA approved this thing, this COVID gummy, everybody be chewing on it. So with especially they deal with these different. People don't like. They've been taking their time, but if this thing break out, this one right here, you better take a look at right now. Right now, it's only about. I bought it 68 cents. I got 1,000 of them. This can be the Moderna, or this can be the other. I kept this over a year. I said, I'm going to keep it. Hedge funds own most of this stuff. I said, I'm going to keep it. And I don't care whether they go down or up. Some things you just got to keep your seed in the ground. Apple, go up and down. Amazon, I'm going to keep, I got 10. Really, I got 20 because now I'm going to go over to my business account. In the business account, look at the business account. Okay. So same thing. I got this one again. I got 20,000 over in my, this is at 6 cents. You go to 8 cents, it's going, these things pop. I got this in my cash account so I can move it quickly. Apple, I earn a little dividend. That's why it's 10 quantity, 10, these other ones. I own a piece. I get a little piece. That's all right. That's all I need right now. These guys, I still like this one, even though it's at 34 cents. This was 40 cents. I lose money. I'm gonna lose. But these guys, you gotta keep. This guy, he's going to 2 to 3. It was 1 to 2. Now it's 2 to 3. One day this one gonna pop. I got 1 million shares on this one. These media. So during the fall season, you get a lot of media stuff. Let's see what happens. Football coming back. These guys got football players in there. So I'm gonna keep that. It's only a penny, 2 pennies, 2 cents of a penny. This one right here, I'm gonna keep the seed in the ground on this one. Even though I'm losing money on it, I lost about over $1,000 on this one. But this one can go up to 32. Once I do, I'm gonna pop it out. I made my, took my losses, and I'm gonna get out of this. H, here's a healthy choice. I know people saying, why are you still holding on? I got 3 million shares. I got less than a penny. Okay, penny of a penny is only 300. It's $360. Yeah, I paid $360 for it, but right now it's only worth about $3. But people got 126 million people. Okay, they saying they're gonna buy back shares to get people to get out. I ain't getting out. So you reverse split, do what you want to do. Guess what? You have to reverse split on me, because this one go up to a penny. I'd have made $300,000, and I think it will. I think because you see it in the grocery store. So when they have good earnings, something gonna pop. Even to go half of a penny, I still can take some of these out. I take 200. I take 200. But they got you go to a penny or two. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, Lucid. That's that car company. I'm okay. I'm gonna stay with them because Saudi Arabia bought this thing, got more shares in this thing than in it. This is the electric car, like my friend down there, Tesla. And MCOM, that's you remember this one. It's 357. I better move space. I'm still, because space keep going up and down. You know, I got 100. You know, I had 300, but I took 200 out because, like I say, I'll wait till they start popping. This one same way. This one go up and down. This one should be about 100 some dollars. Analysts say this one should be 100 some dollars a share. Right now, it's under a penny. No, it's a penny or close to a penny. It is under. Yes, less than. Is it 91 cents? Less than $1. Okay. Earnings, they keep moving the earning day. That's why people say, oh, they're a scam, blah, 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 blah. But you read up on this one. We may do let our tool look at it. TTI, this one, it goes up and down, but it's still at $5. I bought it $4.90. This one is associated with, you know, these guys up here. So it's with General Motors and all these Tesla, all these, like this guy right here is associated with it. You know, these technology, software, and stuff like that. And this is one of those COVID or infectious diseases that people say, well, you know, you got to keep this one. I got my eye on it. It's not doing. Yeah, see, it's not don't have the volume, but they have to come out with news, and then they come out with FDA doing something. They got some stuff in the FDA. They dealing with those hard infectious diseases, and I think we're gonna have another winter of these diseases coming out. So these guys might pop. I want to keep my seed in the ground, but I want you to look at this. You know, Tesla is holding his own. They can say they want about that. Look at him. I got 20. I said, I'm gonna keep 20. And if you want to see my performance real quick, look at that. You know, this is Tesla over here. And if I look at all three of them, all three accounts, see, that's why I got TTO. TTO, when it popped, that's 10,000, that's 12,000. That's how much I made. NVIDIA, these guys made me some money. Okay. Micron is starting to make me money. And I'm just waiting for the others to pop, you know. Okay. You know, literally, all these guys, I didn't put my time in. Like I said, the people that made me the losers are mostly these guys were index, lost me some money. So that's why they were going to reverse split and lost me even more money. And they reverse split, they still going down. So I don't want. I said I take my losses, but I'll wait. But these guys, this one haven't made me any money yet, but it's starting to heat up. This one haven't made me any money. It's lost me 800 and something dollars. This is the one I just did on. But wait, you wait. Okay? Wait. Like you say, I'm taking risks. But so far, these are my big movers. Get back to my positions. It's 4 o'clock. See? I made that. See, I'm still up there, close to 68K. Started the week like close to 71. Now I'm back down. See, I lost, but I took some risk, and I'm gonna keep taking risks. This is the one I'll keep looking at because I started off. I got 60K, 100K here. This is the one I really, because it's not right now. It's not making me any money, but this is the one Zach said buy. So I'm gonna keep it in the seed in the ground, and I'm willing to risk this money for the other. So I'm gonna stop sharing. Okay. Okay, God bless you. God keep you. God call yourself safe. This is birthday weekend for my grand. So God bless her, and God keep her. God cause his face shine on her and give her peace. And I see I'm taking a lot of pictures, so you might have some more new photos in this thing come Monday of next week. And then next week I'll probably be broadcasting from Chicago. That's my plan. If the Lord will, I'll be in Chicago family reunion for a couple of days. But we will see, you know. God bless you. And here we go again. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this video, and you have a great weekend.